What's up, guys? I am, for the first time actually, attempting to make lasagna soup. I've been seeing it around TikTok. My sister actually sent it to me and asked me to make this for her because I told her it's soup season for me and I love soups. And actually, those who know I actually just cooked a taco soup last week, and I finished that much. And then the rest I issued out to the homeless or what have you. So this right here is the lasagna soup that I'm attempting to make. You guys see the onions right there. I caramelized it real good. This right here is the Italian sausage, ground turkey. This is the ground turkey too, but it's the taco seasoning. Let me show you guys right here what I'm talking about. Like this one and the taco seasoning, because I like all of them. So I'm attempting to use all three. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I'm going to go in and get this chopped up real good, and then I'll show you guys once I get done. Yeah, I actually had packed this thing up. I'm so glad God put it in front of me where I was able to see it so that I can use it. This thing does wonders, as you guys can see. Alright. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, the meat is done. Meat is definitely for sure done. I made sure of it. Because I had 3 types of meat in there. Well, they was the same kind, but just flavored differently. But anyway, these are the seasons that I'm going to use. Yeah, I thought I had some Creole seasoning, but it was in an order that I canceled. But I'm going to have to get it anyway. But in the meantime, I'm going to try this with it. This chicken bouillon, oregano. As you can tell, I love my great value. Garlic powder, onion powder. And y'all, some of this season I bought more than once, didn't know it. See, that's why I can't wait to move with my place with the food pantry. So I know what is in front of me. Did I just have some oregano leaves out? I did. I can actually put this up. Because y'all, some of this stuff I had bought more than once and didn't realize it. But when I moved to my place that has the food pantry where I can actually organize my home. You guys can see my pretty face. But no, seriously. That way, you know what I'm saying, I can see what I got. Because right now in these those cabinets, I can't see what I got. And so a lot of times I've been about stuff over again, like I did multiple times with some of my seasonings. We just gonna be good on it for a while. But yeah, my next place is going to have a full pantry where I'm able to see everything that I got. I am so excited. Can we say hallelujah? Hallelujah. But anyway, guys, so I'm about to go on and season this meat. Alright, guys, so since I didn't have the Creole seasoning, I use Tabitha Brown, sweet and smoky, so I just use that instead. And y'all, I don't like spicy food, so honestly, I only put like a little bit right there in that little corner. You can't see it now because I don't got it with that, but I just put a little bit in that corner. That's it. I don't like spicy because I know paprika is spicy itself, so I didn't want it to be too spicy. So I didn't put that much in there. But yeah, so all this is my dry seasoning now. This right here is the chicken bouillon right there. But I'm still might end up using a little bit of chicken broth with it. So we're going to see how that goes. So I'm adding my own little twist to it though. But yeah, y'all. So here you go. Like I said, I'm just adding my little twist to it. I didn't add this much pepper. I didn't. Alright guys, so I am about to put like a tablespoon of minced garlic in here. So this is the one I use. Of course, Great Value. Yeah, don't judge me, okay? I love my Great Value products, for real. So this is the kind that I use. Now I'm going to add my tomato paste in here and my diced tomatoes in here. It's looking lovely, y'all. It's looking lovely. I also put some water in here and a little bit of chicken broth. I didn't put that much in there because I had the chicken bouillon in there. So I just only used a little bit of this. So, yeah, y'all. So now I'm about to add some diced tomatoes and my tomato paste in here. Alright guys, so that's Parmesan and mozzarella. And I'm going to add some ricotta cheese. And I'm going to make me a cheese ball so that I can put it up in this right here. Alright guys, so I did 5 cheese balls. Now I ain't gonna lie y'all, this was my first time doing this. And I ain't gonna lie, it was a little bit messy until I got the hang of it. Around about the second ball, I was starting to figure out what to do. But yeah, so now I'm gonna put each of these. I'm gonna put at least 4 in there for right now. And then I'm going to use my lasagna pasta, my lasagna noodles rather, that is already it's cook ready. And I'm going to, matter of fact, I can show y'all. Where is it? Come on, I'm gonna take y'all with me. Here it is, y'all. See, it's oven ready lasagna. So I'm just gonna get a few of them out of here, out that box, and put it in here. Right guys, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna stir it in a moment, but first I made some more cheese balls and I'm gonna add some half and half into it. And that's it, y'all. Now I'm adding my cheese balls, y'all. If you want to add extra cheese, you can. Like, when you know, in your plate, or what have you. I know it looks like it's going to overflow, but trust me, it's not. Then I'm just going to let it melt in there, then I'm going to stir it up later. And y'all, this is what it looks like. Now I got it on low. I have it on low. So I'm going to let it do what it do for like 20-25 minutes. Then I'm going to come back in here and check it. But yeah, y'all, this is what it looks like. Lasagna soup. So yeah, I added some Parmesan on here and some mozzarella. But this is what it looks like, y'all. And it's so good.